Tired of the same old holiday decorations? Want to make your home the most talked about place this Christmas and New Year? Stick around because I'm about to show you how.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's that magical time of year again, and today we're diving headfirst into creating absolutely amazing Christmas and New Year decorations ideas for 2026. Forget boring baubles. We're talking show-stopping, DIY magic that will wow your guests and make your home feel extra special. So ready to get festive?
Transform your home into a winter wonderland this 2026 with our ultimate guide to creating stunning Christmas and New Year decorations. Get ready to impress your friends and family with breathtaking DIY decor that's both budget-friendly and incredibly chic. In this comprehensive vlog, we'll walk you through step-by-step processes for decorating unique ornaments, elegant table centerpieces, dazzling wall hangings, and festive lighting solutions. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a complete beginner, you'll find inspiration and practical tips to make your holiday season sparkle like never before. Decorating the Christmas tree is always a special event in our household, and this year my younger son was particularly excited to take part. As we unpacked the colorful ornaments and twinkling lights, his eyes sparkled with joy. He eagerly helped untangle the strings of lights, giggling as he tried to wrap them around the branches. Together, we reminisced about the stories behind each ornament, from the handmade ones he created in preschool to the ones gifted by family members over the years. His enthusiasm made the entire process feel magical, and I loved watching him take pride in placing each decoration just right. As we topped the tree with a shining star, my son beamed with pride, knowing he had played a big role in making our home festive. We stepped back to admire our handiwork, and he declared it the best tree ever. The laughter and joy we shared while decorating not only brought us closer, but also filled our home with the true spirit of Christmas. Let's create a cozy corner that just screams holiday cheer. My secret weapon? Layering lights. We're not just talking a tree here. Think fairy lights draped over bookshelves, around mirrors, even in mason jars. The celebration of the New Year is often marked by various traditions, one of which is the ceremonial cutting of the cake. This year, I prepared a special cake made from a delightful blend of wheat, dates, bananas, and almonds, symbolizing prosperity and health for the year ahead. The ingredients not only reflect a commitment to wholesome choices, but also embody the spirit of togetherness as we gather to welcome new beginnings. My younger son eagerly participated in this cherished tradition, showcasing his enthusiasm for the occasion. His involvement in the cake-cutting ceremony added a layer of joy and excitement. The new year approaches. I eagerly anticipate celebrating with my favorite children, creating a joyful atmosphere filled with laughter and playful masty. As the new year approaches, my husband thoughtfully selected a variety of gifts during his recent trip to Kochi for an event. From the renowned Lulu Mall, he brought back an assortment of local delicacies, including sweets, spices, cake, buns, jams, fruit jellies, and an exquisite selection of Belgian and UAE chocolates, which he plans to share with family and friends. Among these delightful treats, the red cherry stands out as my personal favorite. Additionally, he surprised me with an alcohol-free itar, a cherished gift that reflects his understanding of my preferences. In my previous vlogs, I shared the making process of several handmade items. I'm excited to showcase a few of them that will add a personal touch to your celebrations. First up, I've crafted a charming cotton cords Christmas tree that brings a cozy, handmade vibe to any space. Alongside it, I've created a whimsical pipe cleaner sticks Christmas tree, which is not only easy to make, but also a delightful project for kids and adults alike. To elevate your New Year's decor, I've also put together a stunning pipe cleaner stick and resin works combined centerpiece that will surely catch the eye of your guests. This centerpiece features vibrant colors and unique designs, making it a perfect conversation starter at your table. Additionally, it's a sustainable decor ideas which embrace eco-friendly crafting with tips for using recycled materials and natural elements. I've hanged a New Year-themed backdrop banner that sets the stage for your festivities. I have also placed some attractive vases which adorned with winter berries, tulips, pine leaves, and striking red poinsettias, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for your celebration. To complete the festive look, I've added some playful paper cutout hangings featuring reindeer and Santa, which add a touch of whimsy to the decor. Scented handmade candles with delightful aromas fill the air, enhancing the cozy ambiance of your gathering. With these craft ideas, you can create a beautiful and personalized setting that reflects the joy of the new year. So gather your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let's make this celebration truly special.